Okay, let's look at the change of base formula. But before we look at this, I want us to talk about these properties of logarithm. That is the log of the base. That is when you have the log of a number whose base is the same as that number, what are you going to have? For example, let's say you have log A and the base here is also A. What will be the answer? The answer here will be 1. Do you understand? Log B base B, the answer will be 1. Anytime what you have here is the same as the base, the result will be 1. Do you understand? Okay, now let's say you now have log 5 base 5, the answer will be 1. Log 7 base 7, the answer will be 1. Log 100 base 100, the answer will be 1. Anytime what you have here is the same as what you have here, the result will be 1. Do you understand? Okay, now let us go back to the fourth law, which is the change of base law. According to this law, let's say we have log A base B. Please pay attention, okay? It's simple. Let's say you have log A base B. It is possible to rewrite this law, this logarithm as log A base A all over log B base A. What I have done here is that I have changed the base of the logarithm. And what do I change it to? I change the base of the logarithm. The base is B before, do you know? Then I change the base to A. Do you understand? So since log A base A will give me 1, so the result of this will be 1 all over log B base A. Do you understand? Okay. Let's say we have log X base Y. If I want to change the base of this logarithm, I'm going to have, you can change it to any base. Do you understand? You can change the base of the logarithm, you can change it to any base. So let's change this to log X base A all over log Y base A. So I've not done anything, you can see now. So here, I change the base of this logarithm to A. I change the base of this logarithm to small letter A, right? So that means if I have log A base A, since we know that the log of the same base, the log of a number to the same base will give me 1. That means log A base A will be 1. But here, the base here is A. And because if what you have here is the same as what you have here, the result will be 1. Do you understand? So what you see on the board is called the change of base formula. Do you understand? So master this, okay? You can change the base of a logarithm. Are you getting it? You can change the base of the logarithm. Now listen, why are we going through this law? Because you are going to encounter questions that you're going to combine various more than one laws of logarithm to simplify the question. So all this law that we are discussing is very, very important. Do you understand? Okay, so we've looked at the change of base and we've also looked at the log of the base. Another important laws of logarithm is the inverse properties of logarithm. Let's say you have A raised to the power of log B base A.
To watch the complete class, kindly click on the link in the description of this video or the comment section, okay? See you in the next class.